Hey everyone! Today, I'm excited to show you a super simple way to get a free $100 Uber promo code. This method is quick and easy, and you'll have your promo code in just a few minutes, so stick around to see how it's done. First, head over to escaponco/Uber. Once you're on the site, the first step is to enter your email address. This is key because your $100 promo code will be sent directly to your inbox, so make sure you enter it correctly. I'm entering my email now so you can follow along and see exactly how it works. After entering your email, the next step is to choose whether you're using an Apple or Android device. Since I'm on an Android phone, I'm selecting that option and clicking the Continue button. It's important to pick the correct device since the process might differ slightly depending on what you're using. The site will now start generating your promo code. Don't worry, this only takes a few moments. It's one of the fastest ways to score $100 off your next Uber ride. Now, your promo code is almost ready, but there's one final step to complete. To verify that you're a real person and not a bot, the site will ask you to confirm your identity by downloading 2 free apps from the Google Play Store. These apps are always free, so you don't have to worry about any charges. You can choose any 2 apps that are available, no need to pick the same ones I'm using. Sometimes, an app might not download correctly, so if that happens, just select a third app as a backup. I'm downloading my second app now, and once both apps are installed, you'll need to open and use each one for about a minute. Some apps might ask you to complete a short survey or sign up, so if that happens, just follow the steps to ensure the verification process is completed successfully. Once you've run the apps for the required time, head back to your email and refresh the page. Your $100 Uber promo code should be waiting for you in your inbox, ready to use. It's really that simple. I'm refreshing my email now, and there it is, my free Uber promo code. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, I'd really appreciate it if you subscribe to my channel. I'm always sharing tips and tricks like this, so stay tuned for more great content. Thanks for watching, and have an amazing day.